dressed up like a skeleton. Come lay with me in my bed. Give me all your compliments about my fingers on my hands, how I'm a singer. In your head, I'll tell you how I loved you when our eyes locked between our heads. And I get scared when they start talking back. My little train starts flying off the tracks, and it's hard to get back. It's so hard to get back. And I'm just a catchy song stuck in the 90s with my pretty mom, having conversation still with your ghost. It gives me chills, another hard purge of my fears. A baby bluebird was caught between my ears. Self-repair is such a bitch. I bite my nails, can't scratch my edge. And this heat, it's got me seeing things. I wanna lay down, but the pavement starts to sting. And I can hear you sing, and it sounds so sweet. Am I okay? Maybe. I swear I'm not insane. Yeah, hold on my teeth, baby. Just let me explain that I will burden all of me for the rest of my days. The world is slowly crumbling, but you'll always hear me say, I can't complain. No, I can't complain. No, I can't complain. No, 'cause I can't complain. You wanna know why? I am playing dead, and I'm dressed up like a skeleton. I am playing dead, and I'm dressed up like a skeleton. I am playing dead.